Hey folks, welcome back to Challenged. I'm here in not so sunny Illinois today with a big old Penske truck, and I'm gonna fill it with a whole bunch of fun, or maybe it's a lot of work. Anyway, how'd I get here? Well, we woke up at 3:30 this morning to catch a 5:30 flight from Wichita to Chicago. And honestly, the skies were beautiful. Take a look at this sunset that I got to watch coming up, and the pillowy clouds. I mean, oh, if I could bottle that. After that, we grabbed this beautiful truck, went to Menards, grabbed a few supplies, hit McDonald's on the way, and here we are to pick up my newest project. So as you can see, we have a mostly empty truck right here, and by the end of today, it's going to be full and on the way back to Kansas. And what am I getting? An airplane, because why not? Yeah, I'm an idiot. Anyway, obviously it'd be really hard to fit a built airplane in here, but this is an airplane kit from Vans. So this is going to be an RV-10, which is their four-seater version of the airplane. And as you can see, laid out on the ground right here are some of the parts that have already been built by the previous owner. I am buying a kit that was previously started, and then of course Vans had their big laser cut parts issue, and so he was ready to get rid of everything, and it just timed out right. I was ready to buy. So will an entire airplane fit in a 16-foot Penske truck? By golly, we're gonna find out. Let's get started. Would you look at that? An entire airplane fits inside of a 16-foot truck. I don't know if it's gonna stay or ride home, but it's there. Well, got too darn tired, so had to stop for the night, but we picked an area that was real nice, able to keep the truck, unless it didn't run away during the night, so that's really all I can ask for. Back to the road, another 6 hours to go. Well, folks, We made it home, safe and sound. Honestly, it wasn't terribly bad. It was long, you know, driving these trucks is no fun, but check it out. Come back here. Take a look at this. Got everything out of this truck, distributed through the house, through the shop, just kind of all over the place, wherever I could make it fit. Now I gotta figure out, what in the world do I have? Like I told you before, I bought an RV-10. And when you buy those from Vans, it actually comes in 4 different kits. And believe it or not, I bought all 4 from this one individual. So like I said, it's all over the place. I've got parts over here. All of these are affected by laser cut parts. I cannot use those and have to actually rebuild them. More parts and jigs and boxes and totes and stuff. I don't know. Even inside my YouTube room. You guys don't see this very often. Check it out. I got all kinds of skins all over the place. The main spars that go in the wings. Like I said, I bought basically everything. I'm still going to have to get all the wiring, avionics, interior, engine, and propeller later on, but it's going to take me a long time to put all of this together. So until then, I don't know, you'll probably just have to come back and see. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are interested in airplanes or aviation or watching me build this thing. Regardless, I'm excited about this build. I think it's going to be really neat for the family. If you wouldn't mind, hit that like button down below as well as subscribe. Stay challenged, my friends.